So I recently picked up this kit to add another key to my Dodge Ram. It's a 2011, and this kit will work on a bunch of other Dodge vehicles, but specifically today we're doing the Dodge Ram 2011, and I do believe they give you both the different cases. So we got this one that matches my Ram, and then for other Dodge vehicles or Chrysler vehicles, they have this for your trunk to open as well. So you guys could change that out, but it's the same basic key. They also do give you the actual tool to reprogram the key. So we're gonna plug this into our OBD port reader. And then this kit does actually come with 2 keys. So we're gonna have a total of 3 on this Dodge Ram here, it seems like. And of course they do give you a user guide to figure out how to use it. So I'm gonna go ahead and read this, and then I'll show you guys a step-by-step guide on how to actually pair it up so that you guys don't have to read it yourself. All right guys, so for step number 1, make sure that you guys shut all the doors to your vehicle. There should be no AC, no radio going. They want the least amount of power draw as possible. And also make sure that your car's battery is in good health and you're not having issues. Next up, they say to turn on your hazards. Now we're going to put our foot on the brake and we're going to start the vehicle. So after the vehicle's started, what we're going to do is take this and plug it into the OBD port. So for my truck, it's just right down here. We're going to plug it in and we should hear some beeps in a second. All right, so after that single beep, what we're going to do is take this key out. Now we're going to take the new key and put it into the on position. All right, so just keep in mind, we're not starting the car. We're just putting it in the on position. I heard a couple beeps. And in a few seconds here, we should hear some music coming from the scanner. Then we'll be all paired up. So that's the music. All right, so now just take the key out of the ignition and take this out. And we're gonna go ahead and see if this works. So it locks the car, unlocks it. If I do the double tap, let's see if it starts the vehicle. And I almost forgot, most importantly, let's see if it starts the vehicle. So it remote starts, it starts just like normal, locks and unlocks. So it looks like the key's in good shape. Anyways, that's my really quick review on how you guys could reprogram a key for your Dodge vehicle.